Welcome YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is the Colombian Stallion showing you an update of my 90-gallon aggressive parrot cichlid combination tropical fish setup. Anyways, people, I have a lot of fish in here, a lot of different things going on in this tank right now at the moment. But I have about 5 parrot cichlids, couple King Kongs, a couple normal ones, a small one that's somewhere, and I have about 50 convicts. I have barbs, Johnnies, Malawis, Firemouth, Black Molly, White Molly, 3 kinds of barbs, tiger barbs specifically. What else? What else is in here? Who else is in here? Couple little puffer fishes. You might see these guys right here. Pretty cute. I have a blue dolphin cichlid. I recently got 2 German cichlids, but I don't see them at the moment. But they're in here somewhere. I have this giant pleco. This is my second fish that I've had, and he's a mammoth of a fish at the moment. You might see them. Yellow labs are in there also. A couple African. There goes one of my rams. Gray rams, right there they're called, I believe. Yeah, very interesting. He's right there by the plant. Very nice looking fish though when when he comes out. But here are my troublemakers. My convicts. My male guarding his tribe of spawn, fry, bunch of fish. He's big and he's a jerk. He bites, he attacks, and his lady is over here just living it up, just making babies up, left and right. She's in there. She thinks I don't know she's in there, but she's down there laying eggs over and over and over, and she is pretty much on her way out of here. You guys gotta take your little breeding selves somewhere else. But this is the inside of my tank. Yeah, interesting fishes. Yeah, I don't know what to do about these fry, but I have a lot. If anybody wants some convicts, let me know. If you're in Chicago, I'll give them to you for free if you guys come by and get these guys. But yeah, this is my setup. If anybody has any comments, what I've done in my tank, what works, what hasn't worked. Currently, my next little upgrade to my tank is going to be a canister. If anybody has any suggestions for what's a good canister for a 90-gallon fish tank with sand and some, plants. But I want to get some crystal clear water. I want some cleaner water than this. I mean, it's pretty clean. I keep it clean, but I'm also doing water changes often. That's it. Give you guys a little view, and I'll shut up. So you can just check out the view and enjoy my tank. Oops, sorry.